Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Solazido channel analytics. Solazido has uploaded 209 videos. She now has 2.9 million subscribers with a total view of 170,169,961 views. She's from Korea, and her channel type is People. She created her channel since January 24, 2019. The grade she got is B+, and her Social Blade ranking is at 32,521st. The subscriber ranking is 6,279th, and then video view rank is 35,343rd. She ranked 116th in Korea and 613th in entertainment. Next, the daily subs for Solazido is around 2.66k with a daily view of 188,532. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 190,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $760. Then, monthly income will be $22,800. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $12,540 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $150,480. That is how much Solazido earns from YouTube.